Hiya naman kayo sa inyong kapwa Pilipino.
Binastos pa nila ako.
What is the law and what
Pakinggan ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte.
The law enforcement, the highest law enforcement official being head of PNP. Yeah. Now you're hiding the scoundrel, the fugitive.
Iba tong bakal na isa
Okay.
din sa gustong idebate ni Marcoleta na parang sinasabi na kapag sinimulan daw mag-debate, lumalagay na parang tayo mismo, bansang Pilipinas. Do you think this is a good way to talk about this issue publicly?
Sa akin, yes, because the Philippines has to assert its its rights over the Calayan Islands group, and the world has to know about it, and so that those who have previously those who stand by China will eventually change their minds, because what they don't know is that China is fast becoming a manipulator, and it is not being a nation that respects yung mga sovereignty ng mga bansa na gusto nilang sakupin, at saka Pakistan. Formerly independent kingdom of Tibet, ikan natin ang kasaysayan ng China. Wala. Ang mangyayari, we would kowtow to China. It should not be that way. Binabalik-balikan ko lamang ang history because the problem is that it seems we don't learn from history. China seems to not have learned from history. Kaya marami itong naging katunggali. Kaya kinarma ito ng sakupin nito ng Japan dahil sa pandudupang nito, way back, pandudupang nito sa mga teritoryo na dati formerly independent. Ang dami ng naagrabyado ang China. So, it has to be taught a lesson. It has to be dealt with internationally through this debate so that people would know the real score between the Philippines and China. And I'm not saying that the relations between China and the Philippines have to be jeopardized. Rather, kailangan lang talaga to harshly remind China that just because it's a new superpower, it doesn't mean that it can subjugate any territory as they wish. Yun lang.
Kasi parang paliwanag niya dito, pwede kasing against us pag nag-file tayo ng petition through UNCLOS na tingnan mo, Pilipinas. Kapwa Pilipino nagtatalo, nagde-debate sa isang bagay na napanalunan nila. So, they don't even know what they're talking about. So, sabi niya, parang it weakens our resolve if we debate on that matter that we all already know.
Okay. I just have to be realistic, Professor J. Batong Bakal. Yeah, na atin na talagang Calayan Islands Group. So sa nakikita ko dito, dapat talaga imbes na yung debate na yan yung debate na yan idaos. Gayong alam na natin na atin ng Calayan Islands Group. Dapat na talaga sumangguni na tayo sa UN para ma-embargo yung China, para magkaroon ng embargo dyan sa China. Yeah, dahil ang China, ito ang main reason, just like any other invader, colonizer. Bakit tumasakop yan sa mga teritoryo na mula sa pagmamayari ng ibang bansa? It's simple, for economic and political gains. 'Di ba kapag mas marami kang mga teritoryo, tingnan bakit hindi sila tumutok doon sa kanilang mga sariling teritoryo. Kaya wala akong pakialam kahit disyerto nila tutukan nila doon sa sa Xinjiang, Inner Mongolia, sa napakaswapang with severely.
Tama na!